Yeah, but I think they're still going to wait for the next administration. Probably. I mean, they they have too many wildfires to take care of right now to make this a priority. That's my belief. If they have any sense of priorities, that's what I would be thinking of. But I'm not going to pretend I know how that's all working.
It's still
Okay, so
California.
yeah, really. So traditional policies are usually also on a use it or lose it basis. Because what happens if, and I talked about my grandmother's bedridden, from all the time I knew her. She passed away when she was 60, and she never needed skilled nursing care. I think somebody came by like once a month. I can't remember. Somebody came by at some point, but I don't remember that happening. So maybe they came by when we weren't visiting as a family. Um, but even if they had long term care back then, um, she really wasn't old enough to. Okay, granted, you don't need to be a certain age to benefit from long term care. You could be 50, and I'm not saying that's a minimum. I'm just saying that that's a possible age, possible outcome. If you get because if you get hit by a car, become a paraplegic, and you're somehow in the hospital for a long time, that would count, and that can happen at any time. I'm not here to freak anybody out. I'm just saying anything is possible. But if you don't use the policy, then it's the FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. I could have used those premiums for something else because this is not a mandatory type of coverage, or at least not yet, depending on your state. Um, so it could feel, and especially because the premiums can be high. I mean, I'm just spending $10,000 a year, $20,000 a year, and I'm throwing those numbers out, but that's not too far off. And somehow you don't need you're not able to collect on it, then no one gets that benefit. Well, there's other kinds of policies out there